Hello, sir. We are group number 5 and we are here to present on the topic smart hairbrush. So, my name is Shivam and I'm going to introduce the MVP. So, here is the old MVP, which is like having a brush on both the sides, but after interviewing so many people, we got a feedback that detachable comb is very easy and nice to use. So, we have come up with the new MVP. So this is the new image of the MVP, and here beside that it's showing that how we can use this, and these features of straightening it is shown on the beside image, and the curling one as well. So now coming on the smart feature with our hair and scalp health care. Beside this, it will also allow me for more pressure applied while combing, and addition to this it will provide some basic tips to improve hairs and scalp health. Thank you, and now my friend will continue.
Hello, I'm Navtej. I'll first talk about product variants. We are having three main variants: basic, modern, and high end. The basic difference between them all is first one is providing just the basic smart features, nothing else. In second, we also put the temperature sensitivity. Based on that, we are giving an indication and also the cutoff system. The third and the high end, we also trying to give the serum tank so that our customers don't need to spray the serum, as it will decrease the chances of getting harm the hairs very much decreased. Now coming towards the price table, the price of all three variants is mainly differed because of bill of materials. All the costs are fixed, whether it is assembly, transportation or the miscellaneous cost. Now coming towards the business model canvas, I'll first talk about the value proposition. The value proposition here, we talk about the quality and the feature, because that is the main thing each and every customer care about. Now, how we get the customer segment and who are the customers for our product? We are mainly focusing on the females who are either a professional or a student, because the age we are taking is from 16 to 65. Also, what type of lifestyle they like. Besides this, the second segment is the area they live, how much they want like to hair their styles, and the benefits they are searching for. Now coming towards how we will manage the customer relationship is basically with the customer care. We are also providing warranties and rewards. Besides this, quality is one of the main key point for our product. Now coming towards the channels for sale, it's same. We are taking Costco, Walmart as our retail partners. Besides this, we are having our online partners as Amazon, eBay, and we are also trying to sell from our own website. Now coming the key partners we are having the key partners as Walmart and Costco as our retailers, whereas suppliers we have two main partners from where we got the quotations. And now the key activities is to develop the prototype with the help of SolidWorks. Also we have to develop the Android as well as iOS app so that we can give the smart features. Besides this, 3D model printing is one of the key activities that we have to carry out throughout the process of development. Now coming towards the resources, the main three resources is the position we need, assembly line, as well as the key partners. Now revenue, the main two streams of revenue is sales and subscription. whereas cost it is we are having a fixed cost that is 1,15,000. Variable cost that is approximately for the basic one 41.72. Break even point come at 1,365, and we are keeping our maximum price as $120. Now I call up my friend to explain the further.
Hello, I'm Shivakumar Reddy Golla. Coming to bill of materials, we came to figure out the bill of material cost as per the quotations we received from the companies. According to the bill of material quotations, we figured out each part price and we came to our final price as $33. Coming to the fixed cost, we took surveys based on the people, how they use and how much they are spending with the company and the price from the shops. So we figured out fixed cost based on space rentals, hydros, maintenance and assembly equipment cost and testing equipment. And also the main spending we took for our marketing our product is like $10,000, which we spend on $1,300 on YouTube and $1,200 on Facebook marketing and $1,700 on Google AdWords, $2,500 on fashion events and $1,000 on outlets. So altogether we came out with our the cost is like $1,15,712. Thank you. Next will be continued by my friend.
Hi, this is Raja Ravindra. Now I would like to tell about the variable cost. The variable cost is something which changes in proportion to the production output. It basically depends upon the production output. In the variable cost, the including is like the raw materials, the sales commissions, the packing, shipping, labor and all comes to this variable cost. Now in here, we took it for the 500 units and we calculated the variable cost. The BOM for 500 products is like $16,450. The labor cost, the logistics and the assembly works we have shown, and all together we got like $17,597. Per each cost we got like $35.20. And coming to the break-even chart. Break-even chart is something which gives plot, if you plot like on the vertical axis, we'll get the revenue, fixed cost and the variable cost. On the horizontal line we get the volume. And you see here, it's like the sky blue color gives us the sales price and the green color which is the total cost, and the middle one is like break-even point. When we did the calculation and we used the formula like total cost equal to fixed cost plus C into variable cost. C is something which is the total number of volumes over there. So when we calculate this, we got 1365 as the break-even point. And this is the calculation where the fixed cost is $1,15,712, which is the same for all the products, and the total cost is get varied and the total price is also get varied. And finally this is our calculation part, and my friend now continues the rest of the part.
Hi, I'm Surya. So this is the Gantt chart. It clearly illustrates the project schedules and all the durations. And we are following SL project management in our company. And we mentioned some of the main steps and the durations, some of the important steps and the duration side. These steps are analyzing the problem, requirement gathering and feasible study, design a product, developing, and after developing, after introducing the product, we just kept some time for rechecking whether the process is going correctly. If it's not correct, we'll again repeat the step where it is getting a problem. What we have learned through semester, we got complete understanding of all the business models and each segment in it, and we clearly know how to focus the customer segments which we are looking for, and we gain some confidence to set up a startup company and run it successfully. We learned all the legal proceedings for launching a new product, and also we learned how to market it through Facebook, FB and all. What we do after class. So after this course, we'll be working on the smart brush prototype design and try to make some changes according to the customer needs, and we'll contact some of the companies so that we can get some investors and partners. So after, if the whole process is successful, then we'll be launching our product. That's it. So thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. Thank you, sir.